This is the first Wales Cancer Innovation Challenge. So 2019, we went out to all of the professionals, cancer professionals right the way across the NHS, and we asked them, what do you need? What would make your life easier? What's missing? Where are the gaps? Absolutely amazing that this has been supported by the Cancer Implementation Group for Wales and Welsh Government, each match funding at £25,000, so it's a £50,000 pot, but there's no minimum and no maximum of who we can support and how much we can give them. It is really about what do we need to make this happen. And lots of people are all sharing on each of the projects, which is fantastic. That's what co-development and collaboration is all about. And the Life Science Hub and the Cancer Network working together, it's been fantastic.
So as a junior doctor, you really don't come across industry partners. It's not something I've ever been exposed to. It's been absolutely brilliant. For example, we're looking at the VR technology, as you know. So VR is essentially these headsets that you wear for gaming. But these can be amazing when it comes to training doctors or informing patients about their condition. So something like this could really make a massive difference to our training.
I've been so inspired in the last few days by how many ideas have come forward from clinical services, and getting them in the room with industry partners, commercial partners, sometimes the third sector, and looking at ways we can solve some of those challenges. But people are prepared to go the extra mile and we need to support them, and I think that's exactly what we've done in the last few days.
So today we won £15,000 to be able to develop our idea, and we can't believe it, and that's just an amazing outcome, and we never expected that. And we also have the support from the network to be able to take this idea forward, so a fantastic result for us.